My video guide will help you to remove the misleading pop-ups that come from the website downloadisready.com. These pop-ups are presented as some important browser update, but in reality, this is a fake alert that tries to hijack your browser. The pop-up indicates that you need to download and install some extension called AdBlock Master, supposedly to help you block ads. However, in reality, this particular extension functions as a typical adware that may display its own advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. So be very careful and do not ever interact with these fake alerts by the site downloadisready.com. These pop-ups are misleading and you should not trust them. In case any third-party extensions were mistakenly installed into your Google Chrome browser, you should immediately get rid of them. Go to the menu of your browser, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. Then you need to disable and remove any third-party extensions that you might find here. Finally, to make sure that your computer is free of other threats, I strongly advise scanning with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the website combocleaner.com. Download the program through this green download button, install it, and start investigating your system with its help. Combo Cleaner works very well at detecting serious threats like malware, adware, or ransomware, and it can also help you fix your browser-related issues effectively. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.